So, I hope you found the Power BI taster session useful. As I said at the start, it's not designed to be a full, thorough, detailed training session, but hopefully it's given you a really good sense of the range of tools and techniques that are available in Power BI to really make a difference to your data, and hopefully a bit of a flavour of why actually it's several cuts above using tools like Excel in your business. So let's just recap what we've covered. First of all, we talked about what Power BI actually is, which, as you've seen, is a really powerful way of managing, transforming and presenting your data. Next, we looked at how you can use Power BI to connect and model your data, taking really quite messy spreadsheets or data from other sources and transforming them into really clean, complete, usable data sets. Next up, we looked at how you visualize that data, so using a massive range of available visuals to present your data in a meaningful and insightful way. And then finally, we looked at the Power BI service, an ecosystem where you get to share and use the data and the reporting that you've created in a way that lets your business collaborate and get the most from the data that you've got. As Power BI is such a broad and diverse tool, we've designed training specially to suit the two main types of people who might be using it for very different things within your business. The first group are our end users. This is the audience who need high quality reporting day in, day out in order to run the business successfully and to make the right decisions at the right time using the data that you've got. The second group are BI developers. These are the people in your business who are controlling data sets, building reports, and generally owning the technical side of BI within your business. So let's start with your end users. This is your report audience. Okay? And for that, Mintivo have a Power BI Decision Maker training session. This is for non-technical users who need to use data to make decisions. What they'll get from the course is that they'll learn how to get the most from Power BI's online service. They'll be able to build quick reports from existing data, or they'll be able to use AI to find out what they need day to day to run the business and make the right decisions. This is a half-day course and it's available either classroom-based or online. Now let's have a look at what Mintivo offer for BI developers. We break our training for developers down into 3 levels of complexity. First of all, we have a Power BI Kickstarter training session. Now this is really aimed at people who are either brand new to Power BI or people who have dabbled a little bit but not really done any formal structured work with it. If you've already watched Mintivo's BI taster session, this will build on what you learned in those videos. The way the session is structured is that we'll work through examples to allow you to master the core developer skills in Power BI. This is a full day course and it's available either as classroom based or online learning. The second level that we have is Power BI Next Level training. This is aimed at people who are already working with Power BI but are keen to develop their skills. It may be you've mastered some of the basics but are now struggling to get past particular barriers and do things that are a little bit more complex. Again, we'll be working through examples to help you understand and unpick common challenges. There'll be some structured learning and there'll also be a little bit of time at the end to workshop some of the challenges you may be facing in your own business. Again, this is a full day course and it's available either in the classroom or online. The final level of training that we offer for developers is Power BI Custom Training. So if you're already confident with Power BI and you don't really need structured formal training, but you have some very specific challenges or problems that you're still struggling to solve, Mintivo can help you. In our custom training, we'll work with you to understand the problems that you're trying to fix. We'll take the problems away and create a solution for them, and then we'll come back to you and talk you through step by step exactly how we've solved your problem. So not only do you get your problem fixed, you also get educated and trained about how we did it, so you've got skills that you can take away and use again. Again, this is available either at your own premises or online via Microsoft Teams. So, if you'd like to book training with Mintivo, or just talk through the options and see which would suit you best, please get in touch with us to have a chat using the details on the screen now.